Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 10 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about create model, migration and relationship for checkout. So let's see how can we create model, migration and relationship for checkout. For checkout, we need 4 tables. First table is for order, second table is for order item, third table is for shipping and fourth table is for transaction. So let's create these tables model and migration one by one. In command prompt for creating the model and migration for the order tables, run the command php artisan make call and model a space model name which is order, and for creating the migration just add enter dash m. Alright, now hit enter. Okay, model and migration created. Now let's create another one. So write here php artisan make call and model. This time model name is order item, okay, dash m for the migration. Now hit enter. Created. Now let's create model and migration for the shipping. So right here php artisan make call and model name shipping. Okay, now hit enter. And one more for the transaction. So right here php artisan make call and model name transaction, okay, dash m. Now hit enter. Alright, all model and migration has been created. Now switch to the project and let's open the order migration. So just go inside the database table migration, and from here let's open this one, create order table migration. And now inside this migration let's add this column which is this one. Okay, so let's copy these columns and inside this migration just remove this one and paste here. Okay, now save this file. The column is user ID, subtotal, discount, tax, total, name, phone, locality, address, city, state, country, landmark, okay, zip, and type, order type. Okay, and then status. A status would be either ordered, delivered or cancelled. Is shipping different address, then deliver date and cancel date. Okay, and also here associated with the user ID with users table. Now let's open the order items table, and inside this migration let's add these columns. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here and also remove this. Okay, in this migration the columns are product ID, order ID, price, quantity, option, RS status, and also related the product ID and order ID table to the products and orders table. Okay, now save this and let's open the shipping migration, and inside this shipping migration let's add this column, this one. So let's copy and here just remove this one and paste here. Okay, inside the shipping migration the columns are order ID, name, phone, locality, address, city, state, country, landmark, zip, type. Okay, and then order ID referenced with the orders table. Okay, so save this file, and last one, open the transaction table and let's copy these columns. So let's copy and paste inside the transaction migration. Okay, now save this file. Alright, this is the orders migration. Okay, and here is the order items migration and shipping, and this is the transaction migration. Okay, Now let's migrate these migrations. So in command prompt, let's run the command php artisan migrate. Okay, now hit enter. Alright, migration done. Now go to the order model. So just go inside the app directory, then models, and from here let's open the order model, and inside this model add a function here for relate the user. So create a function right here, function, sorry, public function and function name user, and inside this function just return dollar this arrow belongs to, and inside this method just pass here the user class, model class. Okay, so right here user colon colon class. Now let's create another function for related to relate this order to the order item. So right here public function and function name order items, and inside this just return dollar this arrow. This arrow has many, and just pass here the model name, which is order item colon colon class. Okay, now create another function public function and function name shipping, and inside this function just return dollar this arrow has one, and just pass here the shipping model, shipping colon colon class. And now here public function and create function for the transaction. So right here transaction, and right here return dollar this arrow has one, and then pass here the transaction model, transaction colon colon class. Now save this file. Now let's open the order item model, and inside this let's create a function to relate the order item to the order model. So right here public function and function name order, and inside this just return dollar this arrow belongs to, and pass here the model order model. So right here order colon colon class. Okay, and now let's copy this function and paste this file, save this file, and now open the shipping model, and inside this just paste here. Okay, and also paste inside the transaction model. Alright, now everything is done related to the model migration and relationship for the checkout. We have created 4 model, okay, and also created their migration. Alright, and here I have created the relationship between the models. Okay, so in this way you can create model and migration for the checkout. In next video we will see the processing of the checkout. So that's all about creating model, migration and relationship for the checkout. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.